I'm out here in Rockledge, Florida at the Goodwill outlet. Let's dig into the bins and hopefully we don't get sick. So I get into the Goodwill outlet and I was not expecting them to bring out new bins, but I got there just in time and I didn't get a chance to go. As you can see, there's not much left except for old books and games. And I didn't even have a chance to look where all those people were standing because it was so packed with all those people. I found a Scrabble game and I thought if it had the pieces I might buy it, but it did not have any pieces. So I make my way over to the next spot and what do I find? Nobody wanted to touch this. It was an Xbox One Rock Band drum set. So I'm looking at it. It has the pedal. $1. So I got the Rock Band drum set for $1. And I figured I would go to the Goodwill right next door to the outlet. And I'm gonna look for clothes today. So the first thing that catches my eye when I walk in is that jacket. And I think these might be Cole Haan's based on the soles of the shoes, but they were not, sadly. And I go to the bins here. They had a Singer sewing machine for $30. It wasn't really my forte. They are valuable, but I don't have a way to test it since I don't know anything about sewing machines. But I did end up pulling out this Keurig K15. Pretty good sales rank, 5,000, and I put it in the cart. It's $9. Start looking at the games through the Legos. Hopefully there's Legos in it. No, it's just a carrying case. So I put it back, and I figured toys are something that I want to start getting into, but I decided not to pick up this Spider-Man alarm clock. It is also priced pretty high. And I find this brand new board game, but it is restricted on Amazon for me. So I put it back. But I do find this Xbox Stratocaster. It can be worth some money. I just didn't feel like buying it at that price. It was like $10, guys. And they had some high-end hard goods, but they were just not worth it. So I decided to look for clothes. And I go through the dress shirts first. Didn't really find anything. I'm looking for board shorts, and I find these. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in the cart for myself. I found them, they're my size, and yeah. It's a Rip Curl Mirage, and they wanted $4.99 for it. So I go ahead and grab that. And what do I see? A Pendleton for $5. This is a Pendleton medium-sized robe. It's in immaculate condition. Throw it in the cart. Look it up online. And it's worth something. It is worth a lot of money. So, pretty excited about that clothing find. I'm looking through jackets because it's winter. See a couple things. A polo long sleeve dress shirt. And I think this might be worth something. It looks like a Patagonia, but no, it's Outer Sport. Hello. Funkos. Which ones these are? Funko Pop.
Good, how are you?
I like those.
Might as well be, this here.
I see something. Just got these. something. Oh, look at that. $2. Alright. Leaving that thrift store, I got this. An AT&T modem and a Microsoft Natural keyboard. And then I got a little surprise in the bag. Boom. That looks like Arya. That's pretty cool. So we got Daenerys, Arya Stark. I looked up the Kingslayer. I don't know how much he's worth in this condition, but it's a Hot Topic exclusive. So I paid $1 for each of these. I don't know who these two characters are, but they're pretty cool. And of course, you've got this little guy. Hey, I'm back at my office and I just want to go over the haul with you. The thing I left out at the Goodwill was I got this Keurig. I did end up buying it because it's in great condition and it wasn't too bad. I paid up $9, so this is anywhere between the vicinity of 50 to 150 on Amazon. That is the score of the day. And a couple other things that I found that you might not know about are modems, specifically this AT&T modem. It is the 7550, I believe. It says all kinds of things on it, but basically just remember this shape right there on the front. This thing I have sold in the past for $75, $80, so I paid $2 for it. So yeah, anywhere from 50 to 80, depending on who's selling them right now on Amazon. I'll have to post what it's selling for right now on the screen because I'm not really sure where that's coming in. Microsoft Clicky Keyboard. This is the Microsoft Natural. I've sold 2 of these in recent videos, and the first one sold for about $50, and I also got a Pendleton. Okay, so this is a Pendleton robe, and the comps are $75 on eBay. I paid $5 for it. It's a robe. Okay, $75 someone's gonna buy this for. It's in really great shape. There's no defects anywhere on the robe, and $75 for that. So those are the things that I'm going to sell, but the coolest thing of the day, it's unbelievable, is the Rock Band standalone Xbox One drum set for $1. I think that's the end of the video. I'll just close it out with a Funko Pop shot, and bye-bye.